Alright YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So I'm not gonna say y'all should like, share, and subscribe. If y'all wanna do it, y'all free to do it. So in today's video, as y'all know, we're in 2022, right? And I'm seeing a lot more console players making the switch from console to PC. So the main reason for that could be your FPS. And it could be like the overall experience that the PC gives you, man. It's just like the quality, you can see everything a lot more better. Console, it's like just a standard, well, at least I'm talking for Warzone. It's just a standard like one color look, unless you mess with your colorblind and thingy. But PC though, you have a wide range of like changing how your games look and everything. Like PC gaming is just, in my opinion at least, is just way more better. And yeah, so making the switch from console to PC, right? One thing I realized though, like me playing on console is like I can't really do as much things that I could do. Maybe it's the FOV, I could be wrong, but I think my shit used to be delayed too. Like it's not only the FOV, like something is like not on console that should be on like PC. It's just more fluent, I would say. It's just more smoother, it's fluent. There's no delay, I think. On console, it's like, to me, it's like a big delay on console. So that could be like, if y'all want to make the switch from console to PC and you're like thinking about it, but you don't want to really do it, I'm telling you right now, y'all should do it. It's gonna worth the money. You're gonna see like a better experience with your games. You're gonna feel like you're playing the game. So yeah, that's my advice, man. Like y'all should do it if y'all considering it. Right here giving you the 100% check mark. Do it. It's gonna worth the money. And yeah, like, share, and subscribe, and peace.
Enemy UAV! Enemy precision airstrike! Take cover! Enemy soldiers! Enemy dropping into the AO! Bounty target is up. Let's get it done.